Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter. And now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on the display will change. So let's start. So can you see OPPO device reach 114.4 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.